In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video into your Squarespace website. This is a great way to enhance your site's content and keep your audience engaged with rich media. Let's dive right into the steps to seamlessly integrate a YouTube video into your Squarespace page. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser, enter your Squarespace URL, and log in with your credentials. Once you've accessed your site's editing interface, find the page where you want your YouTube video to be featured. Now look for the option that says Add Block. This is the tool you'll use to insert different elements into your site, ranging from text and images to the video we'll be focusing on today. After clicking Add Block, a collection of potential elements will appear. In this list, look for the video option and select it. This is the key element that will allow you to embed a YouTube video. Once you've added the video block, click on Edit. This allows you to make changes to the video settings and prepare the block for your YouTube content. In the settings, you'll find an option prominently displayed to Add a Video. Clicking this will provide you with further options to choose how you want to integrate your video. After selecting Add a Video, you will then see an option labeled Add from Link. This is the option that lets you add a video by pasting in the URL from YouTube, which we'll do shortly. Now head over to YouTube. Find the video that you wish to post to your Squarespace site. Once you've located it, right-click on the video to bring up a context menu. Here you'll find the option to Copy Video URL. Click this option to copy the video link to your clipboard. After copying the URL, return to your Squarespace editing window. In the video block settings, you will see a field where you can paste the URL you've just copied from YouTube. Go ahead and paste the link into this field. Finally, after you've pasted the URL, you'll want to confirm the addition of this video to your site. Look for the Add button and click it. This will embed the video onto your selected page and complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully added a YouTube video to your Squarespace site. This is a great way to make your content more dynamic and engaging. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel free to explore further customization options. Squarespace offers to make your site uniquely yours. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.